kum shibenta benang pynpaw pyrthei shuh yak shnong Mawlynnong ka badei ka shnong ka balayo yak nam kum ka shnong ka bakhui tam e hapo ka doba Asia katna chungo kai pyrthei jong ka challa harangkat ka jite lang bat ka office jong ka DCE ka sales SDO civil penusla ka Shillong press club bat ka dorbar shnong Mawlynnong nowet kilapen long yak jing yakop mare marathon yak balatip kum ka Mawlynnong ron safari yak ni ka jingmare marathon lapen long hakilai benta kata ka jingjingai ba arpui kilometer khat ar kilometer bat san kilometer bat yak ni ka ji kop mare lapen long hak sisajan jong kateo kata hak khatneu trik punai nailor bat kani kalong kum ka jingpen slur ya baro kisamla banong yo drugs hakani ji kop lawan be shimenta dik babun bakantup nadu kitamen ki gro ki rangba shenrang bat kanthei kisamla kanthei bat shenrang bakantup langdui kebret kilapoi hadu shispa arpo katba arpo arngun nakibenta ba fair kari India bat san prangut nari Bangladesh nakaliang jong kong ELWRG ka badai ka additional deputy commissioner ka badai page yak penusra civil subdivision kalapen pau ka jingso kuman banyo alat penlong yakani ji kop mare
and in this category there is also 55 senior prizes also trophy also our timing people are calculating Brijesh let's continue
this marathon is one of its adventure run and it connects the most scenic spot, that is the Living Root Bridge, and it has been planned for the very first time along with the Meghalaya Tourism and supported by the officers of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District and the Subdivisional Officer Civil Peninsula Civil Subdivision. So I wish all the runners who have come all the way from Bangladesh, who have come from different parts of the country and Meghalaya, the very best for this run. So, in fact, I would also like to place on record my thanks to the people of Mawlynnong, Norwed, Riwai and Nong Edlang villages for their immense support and participation and in making this event a grand success. So with these very few words, all the very best and have a happy run and enjoy the experience and beauty of this beautiful Mawlynnong. Thank you.